make a leaf angel. Let's see if it works. We're looking for potatoes. How do we do it? You want to show me how?
Yep.
All right, show me how. Yep, but we're digging for potatoes. We're gonna see if we have any potatoes. You gotta go really deep.
Here, I got it.
Let Owen have a turn.
Potato!
You find one? We got a potato!
We got a potato!
Potato! You found one, Owen.